Alright, so that wasn't too bad. Like I said, I could have probably gone back to get 2 more cans of green beans for 44 cents each. Alright, so load up the car. Alright, it's not bad. Ignore my car. It's winter time. I haven't had a chance to get it all cleaned up. But I think we were successful, and I still got 95 cents left for the next meal. Probably could have got a soda or something, or some Kool-Aid packs. All right, so got like 12 pieces of chicken and a bag of rice and 2 cans of green beans. And like I was saying before, I got 44 cents back in change. I have to look at that receipt again because I didn't see the taxes on there, see how much the taxes would be. But let's see. I think I put a little bit of change in my pockets. Nope. Hold on. Nope. All right. So I was able to get the receipt, and it looks like I ended up paying 13 cents. It's a 2% tax for food. So 4 items sold. All right. Guess we'll go home and cook it up. All right. So there's a couple different ways, you can prepare chicken. Obviously I did not buy any seasonings or any prep or anything, because that's stuff you might already have. But even if you didn't already have that and you were like struggling on hard times, check out this yellow Viper going by. Even if you were on hard times, you could probably go to any one of the fast food restaurants that are nearby you and grab a handful of salt, some pepper, whatever, at a minimum, salt and pepper, and even ketchup, if you needed to. But that's taking it a little bit extreme, but it really depends, because if you're in that kind of situation, then you're kind of already in what some people might call an extreme situation. So but anyhow, you could bake the chicken, you could barbecue it, you could fry it, you could boil it, and maybe put the chicken with some rice. Now, if you make if you use the juice from the boiled chicken, and when you prepare the rice, it gives the rice a banging flavor. So fun fact and quick tip. But anyhow, I'm gonna try to figure out which the best way, not really the best way, but what I have a taste for, I guess, for cooking up today's haul. All right, so in conclusion, you can indeed buy enough food for $7.50 to feed a family that includes 2 adults and 2 children. So it can be done. We're gonna look some more at some other things that you might be able to do, or that you may have to do with $7.50 per hour.